Hello folks and welcome to today's vlog. As you can see, after the last couple of days of being locked in the house, we are out and about in the wild again. Specifically, we're at Peterborough Arena for the Peterborough Fireworks Fantasia event. We came to this last year when it was called Fireworks Fiesta. It's now become a Fantasia. I don't know what's better, a Fiesta or a Fantasia. We're now about to find out. All I do know is they have a big fireworks display, they have a big bonfire, they have a fair, and they have like fairground food stuff. Amy is very excited at the prospect of coming to her first proper organised fireworks display ever. Apart from at Disneyland. It's not quite Disneyland level, but it's still pretty good. And Andy is just loving the fact that there's a fair and also apparently a soft play area in here somewhere, which wasn't here last year, but I'm interested to figure out what the deal is, because he does like a little bit of soft play, but sometimes he's considered too large for it these days. Anna, I very much like your Minecraft hat. He's dancing his way into the fair again. There are few things in life this boy loves more than a fair. You went on this last year.
Step up, you like to ride, please. Back in the car if you like to ride already, just in time. Speed, somebody make some noise!
Is it good? Excellent. We filmed you on there on your camera. He's not even a little bit interested that we filmed him on his camera too. And he's just walked past about 3 different rides in the main bit of the fair over there going too big, too big, too big. Remembering from the last couple of fairs that there's some rides he's just too big for now. However, I don't think he's going to be too big for this roller coaster that's behind us. And I think he is making a beeline for that. Come on, do it!
I don't even know it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get ready. Here we go.
I don't think he's going to be a fan of that foam they're throwing over him at the front. He waited until it did stop moving though. He knows the drill. Andy! Here we are. Was that good? Did you like the foam? And now his shoelaces are undone. Did you not want to go on that one?
I wouldn't fit. Last time we went on a ride like that.
There were adults on there.
I know, but I still don't think.
Just got ourselves some fairground burgers. Need to do a shout out for the place. I mean, I imagine they're not a national chain, but it's a gourmet burger place. They let you pay by Apple Pay. We always run out of cash at places like this. So more of that please. Plus it looks like a really good burger for a fairground burger. Does it taste good? Good sauce selection too. You name a sauce you can have on a burger, they had them. So delicious burgers consumed. Andy's walked us over here next to the big grandstand to have a look over here. Now last year this is where we stood on the field there in the middle of the speedway track, so I assume that's the plan again this year because the stage is still over there. One thing that does seem to be missing is a bonfire. I don't know if they're planning on having one, or it's just not lit yet, or if maybe because there's been a weather warning.
All day.
Yeah, it's been a weather warning for wind all day, so perhaps they've thought better of having a massive fire in a really windy environment. We're about an hour and a half from the fireworks, I think, so we're gonna have another wander around that fair now we've had something to eat, and get Andy on a few more rides. Now we've not got to save money for food because they didn't make us pay with cash. One other thing, this is really for my reference, the Moose Bar there. I think that's the same Moose Bar they have at the Birmingham Christmas market that will be out in a few weeks' time. So we need to refer back to it when we're there and see if it's also called the Moose Bar and if they just put antlers on the moose. They're now so old for the teacups that they're in individual teacups because they don't both fit in the same one. Yeah, because you spin it with this thing, don't you? With the turny thing, you can spin it yourself. Have you never been on the teacups before? Andy, give it a spin. Spin it. Hold the handle. You've mastered spinning it, haven't you? You've mastered spinning it.
Does anybody want some more? One more time. Here we go. We have pizza wings. Just one for wedges. Arrive for all the family. Just in time now. Just in time.
Got it spinning now. Where are we going now? Is that good? I think he's taking you on something else straight away.
Please walk slowly through the mirrors with your hands in front.
Intellectual property? What's intellectual property?
Through the mirrors with your hands in front.
Are you going on this one then? Huh? Okay. Apparently rides are finished. We still have at least an hour before the fireworks. And it's starting to rain. Luckily they have an indoor area where the rain can't get us. And we had a few people who've asked recently how Andy gets on with the big costume characters at places like Disney. I mean, he's never really had much contact with them, as far as I knew, but there's a big fluffy monster, like mouse bear thing behind us. Yeah. And it walked out just as Andy was walking into the toilet. So Andy stopped, went up to give him a high five, Andy initiated, then walked off and said round of applause. So clearly, he has got experience with them from somewhere, knows you high-fived them, and the last time he did it, he got a round of applause. So I'm guessing that's something to do with school, but they certainly don't bother him at all. What's going on over here?
He sat down. 3 pops. Yeah. He sat down, so I sat down. And then I looked at my watch and thought, oh, he's there for 10 minutes.
Yeah, because it was just starting to rain outside, so we may as well wait here. What are we doing after the fireworks, Andy?
McDonald's.
I thought we might. We couldn't hide from the rain all evening, so we've come back outside. Fireworks are still 20 minutes or so away, but we're trying to get a spot. I think we're going to go out over onto the grass over there. It's a bit boggy. It's a bit boggy.
Literally, why
decided it's a little bit too wet and boggy over there. We've got very, very muddy shoes now.
Look at my new shoes.
They'll clean. So instead we're standing this side of this wall where the boggy bit is and amusing ourselves while we wait for the fireworks by watching other people try and cross, because you almost got stuck in the mud,
I
didn't
really
you?
did.
So it's quite entertaining watching people cross. Well, the lights have gone out, which means any moment now we should be getting our countdown and our first firework. 7. Well, that was awesome. A full 15 minutes set to music. One of the best just pure fireworks displays I've ever seen. Obviously it's not Disneyland, which is why I'm having to say pure fireworks displays, but it was really, really good. I think they said beforehand it was something like 1,200 individual fireworks, and it was the guy who did the 2012 Olympics arranged that, apparently. Did you enjoy your first experience of the Peterborough Fireworks Fantasia?
Yes, it's very good.
It's really good. The ending was I didn't film the ending because I didn't know it was coming, but the little finale bit at the end was spectacular. But it was just really, really cool. Yeah, well, there you go then. Watch through Andy's eyes. It looks like he got the ending and I didn't, but that was awesome. Of course, the problem now is trying to get out of the car park that has a single lane exit when thousands of people are trying to do the same thing. It'll be fine. Well, we got out of the car park surprisingly quickly. I think we were parked in the perfect location. Note for future Kev, leave home at 5 o'clock. We park in exactly the right spot. 5:15 to get out, and Andy's had his McDonald's on the way home. I've just burnt my mouth trying to eat an apple pie. I've not had a McDonald's apple pie for years, and goodness me, was Anna shouting at me a lot as I was eating that, weren't you?
Because you wouldn't wait.
I like them hot. But I also don't like to burn my mouth. It's one of the great difficulties of modern life.
Where you just...
She's still annoyed with me because she's got muddy feet, and apparently that's my fault.
It's your fault. I looked at him like, that's not going to work, but you just went on. And then Andy followed, so I have to follow, and then I was sinking, so I had to come back out. I had inch thick, excuse me, of mud on my shoes. They're still on there.
You were over 5 feet tall for a little while.
Dad, I am 5 feet.
I thought you were 4'11".
I am 5 feet tall.
Not according to the thing at the pharmacy. That
Yes,
says you're 4'11".
Well, I went on it the other day and I was 5, so...
She's grown. Or was it after you walked through a muddy field?
Let's go home.
Let's go home. In fact, we're going to end the vlog there. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you leave a nice big thumbs up on there for us. Subscribe to the channel for more daily vlogs. And thank you very much for watching.
We're finished now.
You're not